Good morning. This is Mark Harrison with Sewer Line Check Professionals. I am here at 1788 North Robles Avenue in Pasadena, and I am in the process of performing a video examination of the main sewer line here on the property for Jeremy Marusik. Now, the main sewer line is the portion of the waste drainage piping that is exterior to the structure. It lies underground and connects the building drain line system to the public sewer. The building drain line system then is the portion or portions of the waste drainage piping that is underneath or interior to the structure. Our examination today is not focused on the building drain line system, so if further evaluation is desired regarding the building drain line system, a licensed plumbing contractor should be contacted, or a specialty building drain line video examination can be set up through our office. So I was able to access the drain system today through a 3-inch cleanout located over on the right side of the structure. It's right here at the sub-area entrance over on the right side, about 10 feet forward of the water heater. There's a black pipe with a cap sticking out through that vent or access. We dropped right into the building drain system and then pushed straight out the front under the porch, and then about 100 feet in total all the way out to the public sewer, which is what we're looking into right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull the camera off the public sewer and record this line backwards. And what we're looking at here is pretty common for the area here in Pasadena. It's original cast iron piping from underneath the structure all the way to the public sewer here under the street. Back in the 20s, this was a common way to do it. Now you'll see here pretty heavy rust and scale buildup. You know, these original cast iron pipes from this era were typically expected to last somewhere in the 80-year range. And what we're seeing here is significant deterioration, but I haven't seen any signs that the pipe has actually failed yet, but it is very near the end of its useful service life. So when a cast iron pipe gets to this condition, we are suggesting that one start planning for the upgrades. In other words, being proactive and getting ready to replace a system like this is best before failures begin to occur and prevent the system from operating. And we're just basically looking at the same thing all the way back up under the building, where they have done some replacements that I saw here with modern plastic piping, at least in the drain lines under the structure. So what this means is basically a qualified and reputable sewer contractor would need to be consulted here very shortly to get kind of an accurate idea of what a replacement cost would be. In my written report, I will include an industry standard of an average sewer line replacement through the yard and under the street to the city connection. We should be pulling back up under the structure here now. So when these replacements do happen, it would need to start from where this cast iron pipe begins under the building. In total, I think it's about 80 feet of piping. It does look like it's just one long straight piece of pipe. There's no tie-ins anywhere here. So I think here about 20 feet in is where we change to the cast iron, and there's one long straight piece of pipe the rest of the way out. Alright, so at this point I'm going to go ahead and wrap up the video portion of the examination. It is a quick overview or conclusion here. The original cast iron piping is aged and very near the end of its useful service life, but still functional. If this is left in service as it is, it would be a good idea to do regular video examinations, probably every 8 to 12 months, to kind of watch the pipe. This service can help to catch the future failures at an early stage and help us to better project a more needed replacement date if one decides to use the system as long as they can. This is Mark Harrison with Sewer Line Check Professionals. Thank you very much and have a pleasant day.